Welcome, golf cart outdoor enthusiasts! It's Dave from Golf Cart Garage, here to help you discover why we're the best friend your golf cart ever had. We know lots of golf cart owners see their cart as transport for family, friends, and cargo to wherever the party is happening or the waves are breaking, without ever taking a swing with a golf club. And those who've golfed with me would say that I spend too much time in the sand too. Whether it's a trip around the park or campground with friends, or taking the kids to the beach, we want to help you get the most out of your next excursion without worrying about a dead battery leaving you stranded. Or maybe some upgrades would help make it the right vehicle for taking everything you need. So our Outdoor Enthusiast playlist will have videos to cover what's important to you, like charging and battery maintenance, or outfitting the cart with everything from cargo racks and extra seating to items for off-season storage, along with customizations to make today's adventure more customized and enjoyable. And for those that might not have local repair services in your area, we'll make sure to load up our playlist with plenty of easy maintenance and install videos so you can DIY and keep moving everyone to wherever the fun is happening. Our website also includes a special resource section to make it easier for you to maintain and upgrade the vehicle that does everything from recreation and transport to the beach to simply giving us a fun project to work on or show off. The link to that page is in the video description so you can see for yourself. Here you'll find easy access to the items outdoor enthusiasts ask us for the most, along with answers to frequently asked questions and more, all tailored to help drivers like you understand, upgrade, and enjoy your cart. And it's not just our playlist and our website that's dedicated to helping outdoor enthusiasts. Our customer care specialists know exactly what it's like to look at your cart as another beachcomber, and we'd love to assist via email, chat, or phone. We're already your cart's best friend. We should hang out sometime. So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCG TV.